Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to cook some salmon patties out on the Blackstone Griddle. It won't take long at all, but I just thought I'd bring you along. Now, salmon patties was my husband's, one of his favorite things that his mom and his grandmother used to make when he was growing up. I never would make it or eat it again. There is kind of a story. You could even just go up to my sister and say, do you want a salmon patty? And she's probably making the same look that I'm making now. I'm not going to go into that story, but that will be why I'm not going to try it. So anyway, I have 1 can of pink salmon. I've drained off the liquid. And when his grandmother would come and spend some time with us, I would ask her, did she mind cooking it for Ricky? Because I wouldn't even cook it or attempt to cook it. So anyway, I'm going to take as much of the skin off and take the bones out as I can. Okay, I got most of that picked out. And I'm just going to kind of mash it all up. Now this is the way that she taught me to cook it, Richard's grandmother. So I always do it the way that she taught me, because that's how the men here in my house like it. And now to season it, just a little bit of salt. I use kosher salt and some black pepper. I'm going to sprinkle in just a little bit of garlic powder. Put in just about a handful of some dried parsley flakes. Not a handful, about a teaspoon of dried parsley flakes. And I have a little bit of onion that I minced up. And then 1 egg. And now I'm going to mix all of that up. Now I'm going to put just a couple of spoonfuls of flour. Hang on, baby. And give that a mix, and then see if we can form it into patties. Hang on, baby. If it gets too dry, you can always add a little bit of the reserved liquid. Okay, that looks good to me. So let me get my hands washed and I'll bring you back. Okay, you can make your patties any size. So I'm just gonna, I have my pan lined with some foil, and I've sprayed it with some nonstick cooking spray just so I can transport it easily out to the griddle. Just gonna put a little bit in my hand and just form it into a patty. Hang on, baby. And then I will meet you outside at my griddle. Okay, on my salmon patties, on this side of the griddle, it's on low, as low as it can go, because on this side of the griddle, I'm cooking fried cabbage, and that video will be linked at the end of this one. So I am going to put down a little oil, and when I do, then Ricky's going to take the spatula and kind of smooth it out a little bit. So I'm just going to put my patties on. Alright, I'll bring you back when it's time to turn it. Okay, I am going to turn my grill up just a little bit. About a medium high. And I'll bring you back when it's time to turn it. Now the one reason why I'm cooking these salmon patties out on the griddle is because I was already cooking something else. So I just brought it out here too. With this big griddle, it's easy to kind of cook your whole meal out here. So anyway, and even if you have the smaller one or the tabletop version, it would be perfect too. Okay, it's time to turn them. Perfect. Mash that one down flat. Help me out. Okay, it won't take this side long at all to cook. And I will meet you inside with the finished product. Okay, Alex and Ricky are going to try the salmon patties. I will not.
Tastes like salmon patties. They're good.
So, you like them?
They're good.
Alrighty then, there you go. And if I was frying them inside, I would do the same thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because I love hearing from you. How do you do your salmon patties? Please let me know. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.